Nice bit of spring already. Morning. It's Tuesday, the 20 or something of February, and not exactly sun come out, but it has stopped raining and it's quite mild, double digits, which is always a significant benchmark. And yeah, I'm out on the trails again. Gonna ride. I rode with Stevie Mac and Simon and Jason back in October, I think it was, the reverse honeysuckle. Just fancy going somewhere a bit different, seeing what the trails are like out there. Right, 18 kilometres ridden so far. So yeah, Kimberley ride, and we're going to carry on down this bit of tarmac for the time being. Whisper it quietly, but I think the trails are drying out. I think there's only light rain forecast later today, but it's dry and sunny up to about 16 degrees tomorrow, so that'll make a massive difference. Now, of course, as soon as I said that, the trails have got significantly wetter, and it's a bit of a mud bath in this section. I'm just edging around. And this is utterly boggy. Still pushing. Had to push up pretty much half of that. Effingham Common is disgustingly wet. That's going to take some while to dry out. Forced landing in a puddle. It's got a bit muddy. Still working, but I shall have to wait till that dries and brush that off. So I'm starting. And the gloves are off. I was about to say that's my good deed done for today, but look, there's two more up there. Get out of there. There you go. That'll do. I do hope this isn't deliberate by some wanker. Yeah, look, that was lying there. Just to confirm, I am on a public bridleway, so perfectly okay to be cycling up and down here. Oh, the lovely bridges. It's a bit annoying. My drone has crash landed somewhere and I can't find it. Right, there it is, just found it. Look, here's the trail I've been coming down. Somehow it's ended up over there. Must have hit something here. You naughty drone.
Fly in well lit, textured environments.
That's good. I had visions of being out here hours trying to find that, so I think I'll put it away for the time being. There you go, and that's where the route gets its name from. Oh dear. No grip. No grip. This is nice, isn't it? No gloves. Shadow. Dry-ish trails. It just feels like all of a sudden it's fun to be out and riding on the trails rather than it just being a slog for you to get round as quick as possible and get home. So, yeah, roll on the springtime. Did you hear it hit something? Every time. Pinnock's Coffee House. Don't do flat whites, but they do their own. They kind of do filter coffee with a bit of frothy milk on. It's good coffee. Toasted cheese and ham, even better. So I shall sit here and enjoy this, and then sit here in the sun, enjoy this, and then finish the route. Okay, and not even 500 metres from Ripley, and we are on the Way Navigation Canal. Nice and firm here. golf club. I think that's the M25 there. Sound of traffic. Hi mate. Hello.
Hi.
Right, we're back at Walton Marina and Walton Bridge. Right, I just followed the Thames path all the way to Kingston, crossed the bridge, and I'm heading home now. Right, 88 kilometres done. Good ride, really enjoyed it. The weather's perfect. The trails are drying up, noticeably dry. There was even a dry line this afternoon on some of the trails that I'd ridden out on this morning, so it's all good. And yeah, right, hope you enjoyed it. Why don't you give it a go? Cheers.